Hey yo, peace fam. So it's God, Orion TV. Bang, bang, bang. More life, family. Bliss up, abundance. And I don't know already. So yo, family, check this out. I'm gonna give you an example right here of the spells these witches and these warlocks put on people every day using these products and other elements in society. So family, this is Pepsi upside down and backwards. You see what it spells? Is dead. You see me? Because anyone who drinks this stuff is dead. These are cleaning products, just like the other one, Coca-Cola family. They're literally industrial cleaning products. No one should be drinking these or imbibing any of these trashy chemical mixtures, family. These were made by the evil alchemists, the techno wizards that are just trying to poison you and ruin your life. But once again, family, this is an example of spell work. Just like mortgage means death contract, same difference. They want you drinking poison and killing yourself willingly. So family, if you don't know, now you know, so you can do better. Stop drinking any of this garbage and this pollution. Stop putting all of it in your body. These are industrial cleaners. And hey, Pepsi, remember, I'm not one of these little farmers in India that you think you could just sue. You see me? We different over here. This is the Wild West. Don't fuck yourself. Fair use notice for educational purposes only. You know it's the truth. You're feeding people acid, fam. Straight fucking acid. And you're destroying their bodies and their minds with this junk, with your hamburgers and everything else. Family, jump off that wave. You see me? Get on the flow. Yeah, this pattern is death. That pattern is death. We on that eternal life flow. You see me? That's the anti-life equation. Chop, chop. Let's go. Spiral up. Bang.
Come with me if you want to live.
There is a storm on the horizon, a time of hardship and pain. This battle has been won, but the war against the machines rages on.